Have you ever walked into a grocery store with the intention of buying just a few items, only to walk out with two full bags and a total that made your heart skip a beat? You're not alone. Most people don't realize this, but grocery stores are designed to make you overspend, from the music to the layout to the tiny tricks in the cereal aisle. Everything is set up to drain your wallet. But what if you could outsmart the system? What if you could fill your cart with real food, skip the junk, and still walk out spending half as much? Stick around because we're unlocking some cheap grocery shopping hacks that can help you save big, even if you're on a tight budget. Let's flip the script on how you shop. Number 1. Never shop without a plan. The quickest way to overspend is to shop without a list. When you walk in hungry or unprepared, you're not shopping. You're guessing. And guessing is expensive. Make a meal plan for the week before you shop. That doesn't mean you need a fancy spreadsheet. Just jot down what you'll eat for breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the next few days. Then build your shopping list based on those meals. For example, if you're planning tacos on Tuesday, sandwiches for lunch, and oatmeal for breakfast, write down only what you need: tortillas, ground beef, lettuce, sandwich bread, deli meat, oatmeal, bananas. No more random snack aisles. No more impulse buys. A list is your budget's best friend. Number 2. Shop your pantry first. Before you even step out the door, check your pantry, fridge, and freezer. Most people forget what they already have and buy duplicates. That's wasted money. Maybe you already have a can of black beans, rice, and some frozen veggies. Boom. Make a burrito bowl. Maybe there's pasta, tuna, and mayo. Hello, budget-friendly tuna pasta salad. Build your meal plan around what's already in your home. That way, you spend less and waste less. Number 3. Timing is everything. Grocery stores put out markdowns at specific times. Want cheap meat? Go early in the morning, around 8 or 9 a.m. That's when many stores discount meat from the day before. Looking for baked goods? Head in late evening. Stores want to sell off fresh bread, bagels, and muffins before the day ends. If you can shop midweek, like Tuesday or Wednesday, you'll usually find better deals and fewer crowds. Less stress, more savings. Number 4. Use the unit price trick. The price tag on the shelf often has a tiny number in the corner. That's the unit price. It tells you how much you're paying per ounce, pound, or item. It helps you compare apples to apples, literally. For example, a giant box of cereal might look cheaper, but the unit price may reveal it's actually more expensive per ounce than a smaller box. Ignore the flashy packaging and focus on that number. Let math save your wallet. Number 5. Switch to generic brands. This is one of the easiest hacks, and it can cut your bill by 20% or more. Generic or store-brand products are often made in the same factory as name brands. Same ingredients, same taste, smaller price. Try the store-brand peanut butter, canned tomatoes, or pasta. You'll barely notice the difference, except when you look at your receipt. Number 6. Use a basket, not a cart. This sounds silly, but it works. Shopping with a cart encourages you to fill it. It's big, it's empty, and it whispers, you need more. But a basket, you can only carry so much. It forces you to focus on what you really need. Plus, your arms will tell you when enough is enough. Number 7. Avoid eye-level products. Want to know where the most expensive items sit? Eye level. That's where stores place the pricier, name-brand options. The cheaper stuff? Look up. Look down. That's where the savings are hiding. Next time you're in the cereal aisle, crouch down and compare. The difference in price might surprise you. Number 8. Go meatless once or twice a week. Meat is often the most expensive part of your grocery bill. Try 1 or 2 meatless meals a week. Beans, lentils, eggs, tofu. These are cheap protein powerhouses. For example, swap out ground beef for black beans and tacos, or do a veggie stir-fry with rice and eggs. Your wallet and your health will thank you. Number 9. Download the right apps. Your phone is a money-saving machine. If you use it right, apps like Flip, Ibotta, or Fetch help you find weekly deals, scan receipts, and even earn cashback. With Flip, you can see all your local store flyers in one place. With Ibotta, you earn cashback just by uploading a photo of your receipt. Some people make $20 to $30 a month doing this. That's like getting paid to grocery shop. Number 10. Don't be fooled by sale tags. Just because it says a sale doesn't mean it's a good deal. Sometimes stores mark things as 2 for $5 or buy one get one 50% off, even when the single item isn't actually discounted. Do the math. If you only need one, just buy one. Don't let flashy signs trick you into buying more than you need. That's not saving. That's spending. Number 11. Freeze it before you waste it. How often do you toss out food that went bad before you could eat it? That's throwing money in the trash. Start freezing leftovers, fruits, and veggies before they go bad. Bananas getting too ripe? Peel and freeze them for smoothies. Bread going stale? Freeze it and toast later. Leftover soup? Label it and save it for a rainy day. Your freezer is a time machine for your money. Number 12. Learn the layout and stick to the edges. Most of the real food lives on the outer edges of the store. Think produce, dairy, meats, and grains. The inner aisles. That's where the processed, high-priced snacks hide. Stick to the edges and skip the sugary traps. Walk in with a plan. Walk out with money still in your pocket. Number 13. Don't shop hungry. This one's simple, but it matters. When you shop hungry, everything looks delicious. Chips you haven't eaten in years. Into the cart. Cookies you didn't plan to buy? Oops, there they are. Eat a snack before you shop. Shopping on a full stomach helps your brain make budget-friendly decisions instead of stomach-driven ones. Number 14. Shop alone. If you can, bringing kids, a partner, or friends often leads to extra items in the cart. Little hands love grabbing snacks. Partners love tossing in just one more thing. Shopping solo helps you focus. It's faster, more peaceful, and way cheaper. Number 15. Stock up on staples during sales. When pantry basics like rice, canned beans, pasta, or frozen veggies go on sale, stock up. These foods don't go bad quickly, and they're the building blocks of budget meals. If you see a 10 for $10 canned goods sale, grab them. That's 10 easy meals waiting in your pantry. Just don't stock up on things you don't actually use. Number 16. Check the clearance section. Yes, most grocery stores have one. It might be near the back, but it's worth the hunt. You can find everything from dented cans to overstocked cereal to discontinued snacks, often at half the price. Just make sure to check expiration dates. A dented box won't hurt you. An expired yogurt might. Number 17. Grow a little of your own food. Even if you don't have a yard, you can still grow herbs on a windowsill. Basil, mint, green onions, they all grow well in pots. It's a tiny investment with a big return. Fresh herbs can be expensive, and half the time they rot in the fridge. But when you grow your own, snip what you need. Eat fresh. Save cash. Number 18. Skip the pre-cut convenience. Pre-chopped veggies and bagged fruit save time, but cost way more. A whole watermelon might be $5. The chopped version in a plastic tub? $9 for half as much. Same goes for grated cheese, bagged lettuce, or cut-up pineapple. Grab a knife. Spend 5 extra minutes at home and save 30%. That's a trade worth making. Number 19. Know when to shop at different stores. Sometimes one store just isn't the cheapest for everything. Aldi might be great for basics. Costco might be great for bulk. Your local farmer's market might have unbeatable produce on Saturdays. Don't be afraid to shop around, especially if stores are nearby. Even if you split your shopping between two places, you could save hundreds each year. Number 20. Think in meals, not ingredients. This is where beginners often go wrong. They buy ingredients, but not meals. Don't just grab eggs, milk, and pasta. Think scrambled eggs with toast and spinach, spaghetti with marinara, or baked potatoes with cheese and broccoli. Ask yourself, what will I actually make with this? Every item in your cart should have a job. That's how you stop wasting food and money. Number 21. Keep a price book. Start tracking the prices of the items you buy regularly. Use a notebook or an app on your phone. Note the price per unit in the store. This helps you know when something is truly on sale. Sometimes, what looks like a deal might actually be the regular price at a different store. For example, if milk is usually $3 at your local store but suddenly goes for $4 with a sale tag elsewhere, you'll know it's not a real deal. Knowledge equals power and savings. Number 22. Buy in bulk, but only when it makes sense. Bulk buying can save money, but only if you actually use what you're buying. Buying 10 pounds of rice. Great. If you eat rice often, buying a gallon of mustard? Not so great. Unless you're running a hot dog stand, always check the unit price to make sure the bulk item is truly cheaper, and store it properly so it doesn't go bad before you finish it. Number 23. Stick to a grocery budget. Set a budget before you shop and stick to it. It helps you stay focused and avoid impulse purchases. One easy method is to bring cash instead of a card. For example, take $80 in cash with you. Once it's gone, it's gone. No swiping, no overspending. It's old school, but it works. Number 24. Shop the freezer aisle smartly. Frozen fruits and vegetables are often cheaper than fresh, and they last way longer. They're picked at peak ripeness and flash frozen, so they still have all the nutrients. For example, a bag of frozen spinach can cost less than $2 and lasts for weeks. Compare that to fresh spinach, which might wilt in just 3 days. Frozen equals savings and zero waste. Number 25. Use a calculator while you shop. This is a simple habit that changes everything. Use your phone's calculator as you put items in your cart. Round up the price of each item and add it as you go. This helps you see exactly how much you're spending. You'll spot when you're about to go over budget before you reach the checkout. No surprises, no stress. Number 26. Avoid the end caps. End caps, the shelves at the ends of aisles, are prime marketing. Real estate. That's where stores put hot deals. But here's the catch. They're often not deals at all. They're just placed there to grab your attention. A bag of chips on an end cap might cost more than the same bag in the snack aisle. Don't fall for the trap. Look before you grab. Number 27. Don't fall for loyalty cards alone. Store loyalty cards can offer discounts, but don't let them drive your shopping decisions. Just because something is members-only pricing doesn't mean it's the best deal. Check the price with and without the card. Sometimes, a competitor without a loyalty program still beats the discount. Use loyalty cards as a bonus, not a reason to buy. Number 28. Check out discount grocery stores. Don't skip stores like Aldi, Lidl, or your local discount grocer. These places often have lower prices on everything, from produce to pantry items. You might not see every brand you're used to, but the quality can be just as good, and your wallet will thank you. Even shopping here just once a month for basics can make a big difference. Number 29. Make a do not buy list. We always talk about what to buy, but how about what not to buy? Create a list of items you know are your weakness. For some people, it's chips. For others, it's that fancy cheese. If it's not in your meal plan and it always blows your budget, put it on the do not buy list. It helps you shop with discipline and avoid regret. Number 30. Learn to cook one budget-friendly meal really well. Master one go-to meal that's cheap, filling, and delicious. Maybe it's stir-fry with frozen veggies and rice. Maybe it's lentil soup with bread. When you're tired, broke, or tempted to eat out, this one meal can save the day. It's your financial emergency meal, and it tastes better than anything that comes in a paper bag. Now here's the real question. Which one of these hacks are you going to try first on your next grocery run? Or do you have your own secret tip that has saved you a ton of money at the store? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear your best grocery shopping hack.